Ever wondered how AI systems navigate the tangled web of knowledge to answer complex questions? Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking advancement, AnchorRAG, a framework that revolutionizes how AI interacts with knowledge graphs, overcoming critical limitations in real-world applications. Let's unpack this innovation step by step. Imagine a knowledge graph as a vast, interconnected map where every node represents a fact, entity, or concept, and edges define relationships between them. Traditional AI systems rely on this structure to retrieve answers, but here's the challenge. They often require a precise starting point, a seed or anchor, to initiate their search. If that anchor is missing, ambiguous, or incorrect, like a typo or nickname, the system falters. This is the open-world problem, a fundamental hurdle where real-world data is messy, incomplete, or inconsistent. Enter Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, a technique that enhances AI by blending pre-trained language models with external knowledge sources. Think of RAG as an AI's dynamic cheat sheet, pulling real-time data from knowledge graphs to refine answers. But even RAG has blind spots. Most implementations assume you already know the perfect starting point. What if you do? That's where AnchorRAG steps in, redefining the game. AnchorRAG introduces a collaborative architecture of AI agents, each with a specialized role. First, a predictor agent analyzes your query, extracting key entities and semantic cues. It's like a detective sifting through clues, identifying potential starting points even when the input is vague. For example, if you ask, "What university did Romney attend?" the predictor might flag Mitt Romney, education, or political figure as relevant anchors. Next, retriever agents spring into action, exploring multiple pathways in the knowledge graph simultaneously. These agents act as explorers, traversing different branches of the graph to uncover connections. Meanwhile, a supervisor agent orchestrates this process, dynamically evaluating which paths yield the most relevant information. It filters out dead ends, prioritizes high-confidence trails, and synthesizes fragmented data into a coherent answer. Let's say the query is ambiguous. Who is the CEO of Tesla? If the input lacks clarity, e.g., Tesla could refer to the company or the car model, AnchorRAG's agents don't freeze. Instead, they follow parallel tracks, checking corporate hierarchies, recent news, and contextual clues to pinpoint the correct entity. This multi-pronged approach ensures resilience against noise, typos, or incomplete data. The results? AnchorRAG outperforms existing methods in benchmark tests, achieving higher accuracy in tasks like entity disambiguation and complex reasoning. By addressing the open-world problem, it enables AI systems to handle real-world scenarios with unprecedented reliability. From customer service chatbots to medical diagnostic tools, this framework bridges the gap between theoretical models and practical applications. So the next time an AI provides a nuanced answer to a tricky question, consider the teamwork behind the scenes. AnchorRAG's distributed agents are working in harmony, transforming chaos into clarity. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the cutting edge of AI research, where theory meets real-world impact.